Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best PiggyVest promo codes and referral programs, and here's how it works. If you want extra boost on top of your savings, PiggyVest promo code and referral program are one of the easiest way to earn bonus cash. PiggyVest often run promo code during special events like holiday or app anniversaries that gives you extra bonus when you sign up or make qualified contributions. These codes usually appear right inside the app or in official PiggyVest email, so check regularly before saving. On top of that, PiggyVest referral program reward you when you invite friend. When someone sign up with your referral links and start saving, both of you can earn bonus cash straight into your PiggyVest account, and this is one of the easiest and simplest way to grow your balance faster without spending extra, just by sharing with people you know. And that's it. If you like the video, subscribe for more easy saving tips, and make sure you comment which promo or referral bonus you like to use first on your first deposit. And that's it.